To a new episode of Bravo Charlie's. I'm here with my daughter, who's had some of her own videos and has her own channel, but she's been on different videos with me before. Jordan. How would you like to be known? Jordy Bear?
Jordy style.
Jordy style. Okay, so today we're doing an unboxing and review of the Hamilton Beach Good Thinking can opener. This is model number 766067A. On Amazon, it's $26.99. So I picked this up, want to check this out, and I have Jordan here to assist with it, and we will see what this is. Let's take a look. I've done other Hamilton Beach product reviews before. They don't sponsor this channel yet, but if they're watching and they'd like to, I'll take as much product as they want to give me. Let's see here. Okay. Hi y'all. The dog wants to join in too. Okay. Okay, you ready, Jordan? Hang on. Oh, there we go. That's one way to get it out.
Found the instructions.
Found the instructions. Okay. Box.
English, you're English, right?
Styrofoam. Okay, let's see what we have here.
And I'm pretty sure we're the English.
Yes, we would be English.
Not the Espanol.
Okay.
Ooh.
What do you think, Jordan?
That's nice.
It's nice looking, huh?
Okay.
So this is the black and chrome version. And it has a very short, oh wait, maybe this pulls out.
Whoa.
It's still a short cord for a, and you could push it back in.
I found Yonex.
Yep, we should be able to maybe plug it in. Maybe. We might be able to reach it there. So let's see.
Where do you cut it?
We have it's going to connect right there.
Ooh.
It's black, it's chrome, it's a heavy duty plastic.
It's awesome.
It doesn't look like anything is metal, quite honestly. It looks like everything is plastic. This is just plastic chrome.
Ooh.
So what do we have here? Lift lever to remove. Okay, lift the lever, Jordan.
What's the lever?
Right there. Pick that up.
This?
Yep. There we go. Okay, put that back down. Okay. So, electric can opener. It doesn't take up a lot of space. It's about 3 inches wide by say 4 or 5 inches deep. It's not going to take up a lot of space on your counter. The cord, this is kind of nice. So it's out as far as it'll go right now. But if you have too much, if you're real close to a plug, you can put it back in and only have this much plug sticking out, or you can pull it further and have more cord. Like in this instance, we're going to try and get to the wall back here to test this thing out. We might not have enough room. I might go grab a extension cord real quick. There are 2 labels on here for locked. Okay, so when the lever's down and it's locked on the can, there is a little marker here, 2 sides that say locked. Up and down. That's really the only function to it. It looks like, is this a magnetic? Let's see something real
It's a
quick.
magnetic field.
So it's going to go up there,
Ooh.
and it does hold it pretty nice.
No, you don't.
Well, we got to plug it in, but probably when you press down like that is when it's going to go. So let's, and then release that. I was just seeing if that was a magnet there, but that just appears to be a bumper, so that
It doesn't scratch it up.
Right.
I'm smart.
Okay. What else is there to talk about with this thing? It's a can opener. It's a nice electric can opener.
1. Read all instructions.
I think we can figure out lever and push.
Yeah.
I think we can do with that. So, do we need these right now? There you go. Okay, no instructions right now. So, let me go get an extension cord real quick, and then we will test this out and see how it works and let Jordan use it. Because I think the cord's going to be a little bit too small to reach that wall behind us. But overall, and I should say it does have some weight to it. So putting a 16 ounce, or what are some of the bigger cans? Let's see, 16 ounce, the big
6 ounce.
tomato, that's a 6 ounce can, but there's bigger cans, 12 and 16 ounce for tomato cans and stuff like that. You're not gonna have any problem here. It does feel like this weighs a couple pounds, so it does have a solid base. It seems pretty sturdy. It has rubber feet on the bottom to keep it from moving around. All in all, it looks like a quality can opener from Hamilton Beach. Let's test this out and see what we think. Okay, I'll be right back with the extension cord. Okay, go ahead and plug that in, Jordan. Okay, that's it. Push real hard. Use your muscles. Watch, don't electrocute yourself. Okay, there we go. Okay, so you want to try this out?
Yeah, how do you do it?
Okay, you're gonna put it up under there. We first of all gotta lift the lever up.
It's not in.
I know. That's good. Now push the lever down. Okay.
It's tilting.
Okay, now push it all the way down. Okay, push it all the way down. It won't fall. It isn't opening it.
So maybe it's not in all the way.
Oh wait, keep going. It might be doing the outside ring. Keep going. Keep going. It's an outside ring can opener. Perfect. Okay, stop. Okay, you don't have to hold it. Now, you grab the can, and now lift it up and it's come down. This is an edge-free can opener, which is nice. I didn't realize that. So, here, you want to eat some olives? So, this is actually nicer than I thought. So, this is going to give you no sharp edges. So, you're not going to get cut, and there's no sharp edges here. Right, Jordan? That's not too sharp.
No, you
No.
get a paper cutter for purpose to do it, but you know.
Yeah, but I don't think you're gonna get any cuts on this, so that's pretty nice. It's an outside can opener. It's not the inside that gives you the sharp edge inside here. So give this a try. It was $26.99 on Amazon. I like it. I'm gonna keep this in my kitchen. I'll put the links below for the Amazon listing. What else do we have below? I'll put
I don't
any.
know.
We'll put any
this
other.
brand down below. They're amazing.
The black pearl olives,
Yeah.
or the pearl olives.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. We'll put the social media links below. I'll put a link to her channel below.
Hello.
Are the olives good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, good. Everything will be below. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. I don't know what, yeah, I mean, she's eating olives, the can worked. I mean, what other reason could you give it, do you need to give it a thumbs up? Give it a thumbs up. Let us know what you think. If you have any comments below, if you try this out, leave a comment below. Like, share, and subscribe. Hit the little bell icon next to the subscribe button and you'll be notified every time we publish a new video. And we'll see you next time at Bravo Charlie's.
Da-na-na-na, da-na-na-na, da-na-na-na.